everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with another video that is useful for the upcoming NEET MDS aspirants of this year definitely and in the upcoming years also. So if you are watching this video, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button to this video, because definitely if you watch this video carefully and that too till the end, then this video is definitely beneficial for you. And that is the short thing. Yes, there is a lot of questions and queries regarding, ma'am, my rank is 1730, I belong to a OBC category, can I get some clinical seat? Ma'am, my rank is 2345, I belong to SC category, can I get a clinical seat in MDS course? There are lots of questions and queries regarding this type, and which I am getting it not only from my WhatsApp group, that is of the NEET MDS counseling group, but definitely on Instagram also. Yes, there is one new feature available on my channel, that too for the latest MDS aspirants, that is the availability of the WhatsApp discussion group, that too for the NEET MDS aspirants of 2023. This year we have launched this WhatsApp group. Now what is the importance of this group? First, we analyze the previous year counseling schedules and everything. Followed by that, the second thing is there is one-to-one guidance to each and every individual. Third, you will get the fastest notification regarding the upcoming changes, notices, everything regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. More faster than my YouTube channel and more faster than my Instagram. You need to follow me on my Instagram, which is shown on your screen, and you can ask for the link regarding the WhatsApp group for the NEET MDS counseling. Moreover, there is another group for the dental jobs also. Why to waste the time when you have a 3 months in your hand? Although you can do the homework regarding the different colleges of India, that too for the MDS course, but why to waste time? Side by side, you can join some job, whether it is a government job or whether it is a private job. After all, apna sapna money. Now begin with the today's video. Let me tell you something about the today's video. The first thing which I am gonna talk about today is related to the video which is already out on my channel. There is the comparison of the previous year round 1 result of NEET MDS 2022 counseling and the expected result of the NEET MDS 2023 round 1 counseling. We just do the analysis and get to know that, right? So that's why that is the expected result. It's nothing like that NEET MDS 2023 counseling has started and you miss it. Nothing like that happened right now. But definitely this video contains a lot of answers regarding the questions and queries regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling and your seat and your clinical branch and your rank and so on. Right? Now today also I come forward with the previous year analysis of the round 2 of NEET MDS 2022 counseling, that which category get the clinical seat, at which rank, at which college, and video is definitely helpful for you, because this video not only tells you that which category people get the last clinical rank or a last clinical seat in a MDS course. Followed by that, this will help you that to enroll in the second round of the counseling is very important, because there is a lot of opportunity in the second round of counseling. So that too all India quota counseling, second round of counseling, right? So this video will help you and give you the importance regarding that too. And if still you don't understand about the counseling procedure and there is a lot of questions, don't forget to check out this video regarding the explanation of the counseling procedure of NEET MDS. Followed by, if you are having the questions or the doubt in the fees of the registration of NEET MDS counseling, then also this video is out on my channel. So don't forget to check out that. In the end, there is the question section in the video of the fees of registration of NEET MDS counseling. In that I have taken up all the questions and the queries which are coming from your side. Like, ma'am, if we take the seat, then what happened to the fee of registration? If we leave the seat, then what happened to the fees of registration? If we belong to some category, we got the seat, we left that seat. Now what will happen to the registration fee of NEET MDS counseling? So it's my humble request, whatever the videos is out on my channel, please do watch it till the end. There is everything in my videos I am talking about. There might be a bit long, but that will only help you to get your answers, right? Now back to the topic. If we see the scenario regarding the second round of counseling result of the NEET MDS 2022 counseling, that is the previous year counseling, then you will get to know about a lot of things if you are a category person or even if you are a general category person. Yes, because now if we are going to talk about certain cases of the students which we come across while going through the result of the NEET MDS 2022 round 2 counseling result. So this will help you or give you some idea where you stand with your rank in the NEET MDS counseling, right? The round 2 counseling of NEET MDS 2022, that is the previous year round 2 counseling result. So definitely it is the All India Quota Counseling round 2. There the ST category people get the GDC Nagpur with the course of oral pathology as a MDS course, where they are having the rank of nearly about 2238. That candidate is the fresh allotted candidate which did the fresh registration in the second round of counseling, right? Followed by the second case is again the round 2 All India Quota Counseling, and another SC candidate got OP as a MDS course, that too in the Indira Gandhi GDC JNK, and that too as a fresh allotted person or a candidate in round 2 counseling with the rank of 2245. We talk about the third case. So a person with the rank of 1682 got the oral pathology in the GDC JNK, then he or she is not reported in round 1 counseling, right? He left that seat, he or she is there, she just joined the round 2 counseling, right? And he got GDC Raipur Chhattisgarh, that too in perio seat as a MDS course, being the SC category, and that's why he did the fresh allotment in round 2. A few people, and this is the case of one people or a candidate where he got the OP seat in round 1, he left it and then he did the registration in round 2 counseling and got the perio seat as a MDS course seat in GDC Raipur Chhattisgarh in round 2 of NEET MDS 2022 counseling, being a SC category people or SC category candidate, right? Now the fourth case is the person having the rank of 451 coming to the second round of counseling, that is the All India Quota Counseling second round of counseling. He got the RIMS Andhra Pradesh with the oral pathology as a MDS course, that too being a journal category, and he did the fresh allotment in the second round of counseling, right? So you can see the scenario that where the journal category people stand, nearly about a rank of 451, he got the seat of OP as a MDS course. Another case, that is the fifth case. In this, the person got a rank of 564 rank, and definitely he undergo the All India Quota Counseling and undergo the second round of counseling, where he got the GDC JNK, and there he got the oral medicine as a MBS course. Oral medicine branch is there, and he belongs to the OBC category, where he did the fresh allotment in second round of counseling, right? Followed by the sixth case. There is another candidate who got the rank of 457 rank. He sit in the second round of counseling. He is getting the Dr. R. Ahmed Dental College, Kolkata, and getting the seat of periodontology branch as a MDS course or MDS branch, being a EWS category. This is the last clinical seat we are getting, being a EWS category. And he did the fresh allotment in the second round of counseling, right? Followed by the another candidate with the another case that he having the rank of 356. Again he undergo the All India Quota counseling, that is the second round of counseling, where he is getting the GDC Srinagar JNK. And being a journal category, he got the perio branch as a MDS course or MDS branch, and he did the fresh allotment. So these are the results of the category wise, that too only and only the All India Quota counseling round 2 will help you to get the clinical seat, no matter you belong to journal category or OBC or ST or SC or EWS, right? So there is one scenario that where you stand in All India Quota counseling with your rank. Moreover, in round 2 also there is a lot of management seat quota which is filled by the people, and that too at a very higher level. In my next upcoming video, I am gonna talk about and discuss about it ki in second round of counseling what are the range we have for the management quota seats. See, for the management quota seats or the management paid seats, the only thing work is money. If you have the money, you can get that seat easily. So that's why we just put the result of that seats at a side, and we are talking about the All India Quota seats only first, because that is the priority of each and every individual to get a seat. That's all about the today's video, but this video will give you the one motivation that doing the fresh registration in the second round of counseling, that too in the NEET MDS counseling, plays a very important role. By luck or by hook or crook, you will get the clinical seat also. So it depends upon the luck and the choice filling which you made. So that's why it is very important that you can make the choice filling very well. And for that guidance, you can join my WhatsApp group. For that, you need to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can ask for the link. You can join for a year and can get one-to-one guidance. We are here to help you. So that's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.